Good morning, guys. It's Steve with the Outdoor Couple. I'm alone today. Brenda decided to sleep in. I'm out here at my favorite little lake, Hidden Valley, and I'm going to be fishing for a large bass. I'm really trying to catch something in double digits. I know they're here. I just haven't had the luck yet. Today I'll be fishing with a 6-inch giant TRD by Z-Man on a 1/4-ounce jig head. I will be also throwing a jig, and I've just got the new 3-inch Yamacraw. I thought I'd try that as well as a trailer. I'm also going to be throwing a trash bait, a 6-inch trash bait. I think these fish will be down close to the bottom. Also, I'll be fishing with my drop shot. So those are the 4 rods I'm bringing with me today, the 4 baits that I'll be working. I'm going to be working depths of about 25, 30, 35 feet deep. I'm going to look for the fish first, see if I can find some active fish, and then put these baits in front of them and see what happens. So come along with me this morning. It ought to be good. I think the water temperature is going to be around 51 to 52 degrees. It got real cold last night, but we do expect some cloud cover this morning. I'm having trouble talking because I'm so cold. But let's get out there and see what we can do. All right, thanks for coming along. Well, good morning again, everybody. I'm on the water. I'm in my native watercraft kayak, and we're just leaving the beach now. I want to wish everybody happy holidays. Hey, it's December 24th. It's around 9 o'clock in the morning. My graph is just logging in now. So I don't want you guys to think that I don't have holiday cheer. I do, and I spent it with the week with my daughters Sophia and Bella. We kind of done our Christmas thing. Brenda and I are gonna do our thing tonight. We'll open up gifts and stuff. Tomorrow morning we're actually headed out to Clear Lake to fish Clear Lake. And so that's how we're going to spend our Christmas. The outdoor couple will be outdoors. Imagine that. Anyway, God, it's a beautiful morning out here today. Get everything nice and adjusted. Just a gorgeous morning. I mean, we got some cloud cover, which is nice. And okay, the time just logged in. It's 9:14. Anyway, there's zero wind. I mean, maybe 1 mile an hour somewhere. I don't know. But I think the first thing I'm gonna do is work this side over here, and I'm gonna work it with what worked last time, and that was this big TRD. This is a Ned, okay? It's a Ned. It's about 6 inches long. I've got it on a 1/4-ounce jig head. And of course, I always stink my baits up with fish sticks. This is pretty cold stuff right now. Hopefully it's getting some scent on here.
I want to stop right here because I made many casts with the Ned. I made many casts with the swim bait. I cast the drop shot several times and nothing was biting. I couldn't find the fish on my graph, and I was starting to think, man, this day is going to turn out to be a bust. I decided to move across the lake at this point and start fishing a flat I'm familiar with. The conditions were really good. I mean, water clarity was about 5 or 6 feet. The temperature was around 47, 48 degrees. These fish should be biting right now, and I should be able to find them. As I made my way across the lake, I reminded myself of just how fortunate I was to be out here. It's December 24th, and regardless of the fishing, it's going to be a great day. It's got the makings of a great day. I'm doing what I love to do.
There we go. Finally got bit. It's a little one, but I will take him. Oh my God, it's a dink. Hold on. What are you doing biting this bait? Okay. Just a baby. About 12 inches, not even. I don't even think it's 12. But it's our first. The skunk's out the boat. There we go.
After 4 or 5 more casts, I noticed somebody standing over by my truck in the parking lot. It's all the way across the lake, but I can still see somebody standing, walking around my truck. I don't know who it is, so I decided to call Brenda.
Hey Siri, call Brenda. Call Brenda.
Hello?
Hey, what are you doing right now?
Nothing.
Jump in your car and drive over to my truck in the parking lot. There's somebody like standing around my truck, and I'm all the way across the lake.
Oh.
Yeah, can you hurry up and get over there? Because like he's been around my truck for a while.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Alrighty. Bye.
With Brenda on her way, I go back to fishing. You know, you just can't be too careful these days, so I thought I'd have her come over and check things out. My attention is still focused on the guy standing around my truck.
Whoa, there we go. There we go. Jesus. Oh, that's a good one here, man. There we go. Oh, he's off, you son of a bitch.
Well, Brenda got to my truck and found out it was really nothing. It was one of our subscribers hoping I was going to come back in so they could say hi. It happens, and I'm really grateful. Believe me, I am, but I'm glad it turned out to be nothing.
There I was thinking somebody was around my truck, and it could have been. And I hooked this fish. It looked like about a 4-pounder or bigger. And I didn't have him well hooked, I guess, because he got off right at the boat. There we go. There we go. That's a good fish right there. That's a good one. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on. All right. Didn't put up much of a fight, but that's a good bass. And he's hooked right. All right. That's not like the one I'm trying to get. That's like 2.5 pounds or something. But it's a pretty fish. There you go. Come on. There he goes. He's out. Okay. Come on. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good one. Whew. Here we go. Wow. That's a nice bass there. All right. There he goes. I want to thank you for coming along with us and fishing with me today. I'm going to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Look for us tomorrow. We'll be out on Clear Lake tomorrow, Brenda and I, for Christmas Day. We've already celebrated our Christmas and with my kids, and as retired people do, we get to do whatever we want. So anyway, thanks a lot for joining me, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. So have a wonderful, wonderful holiday and Christmas and New Year's. Thank you very much.